Professionals Lobby referees your technology game to guarantee a win. We offer vendor-neutral ERP, AI, and software governance for UAE businesses and represent your commercial and operational interests exclusively. Visit us at www.professionalslobby.com. A technology project without a referee rapidly descends into chaos. Issues like multi-ball confusion and the wrong playbook arise when vendors offer conflicting solutions or there's deep uncertainty about the right tools. We help you avoid costly mistakes like the blind tackle and pitch invasion. We represent your business completely neutral from the software vendors. We are 100% vendor neutral with no hidden ties. We act as your advocate with loyalty only to your business outcomes, providing full stack governance across ERP, AI, IT, legal, and tax software selection in the UAE. The stark difference in incentives is displayed right on the stadium scoreboard. Unlike ERP vendors and resellers, we represent your specific interests, operate vendor neutral, and act as your dedicated client-side representation across multiple software categories. Your risk-free warm-up begins with zero financial commitment. This includes an initial requirement session, high-level system study, initial vendor shortlist, preliminary comparison matrix, and vendor coordination intro. We provide structured guidance before any financial decision is made. Phase A focuses on engineering a winning blueprint in the locker room. This involves business process analysis, use case mapping, definitive software requirements, specification preparation, and ensuring UAE compliance regarding VAT, corporate tax, and regulations. Phase B is scouting and drafting the perfect technology players. We handle RFP management, technical supervision, structured evaluation using weighted models, and background checks for vendor financial stability and references. Phase C involves issuing yellow cards to hidden fees and biased contracts. This includes price benchmarking, scope deliverable definition to eliminate ambiguity, SLA verification, and a thorough risk assessment before contract signatures. Phase D is keeping the 90-minute implementation fair, focused, and on schedule. We ensure configuration validation, milestone tracking, UAT supervision, and scope monitoring to maintain rigid change control and avoid scope creep. The ultimate VAR room oversees your entire technology stack. We cover ERP systems, AI tools and automation, accounting and tax, HR and payroll, CRM platforms, and legal and IT aspects, providing comprehensive governance. Phase E is lifting the trophy and auditing the final return on investment. This includes a system performance audit, ROI assessment, enhancement roadmap planning, and e-invoicing readiness to ensure compliance with upcoming mandates. The financial math proves the absolute necessity of independent governance. While the investment is typically 8% to 15% of the total project value, proper governance consistently saves 20% to 30% on the total cost of ownership. This eliminates bloated licensing and prevents excessive change order fees. Step onto the pitch with Professionals Lobby to guarantee a fair game. Book your free advisory call today and secure your vendor-neutral assessment. Professionals Lobby, vendor-neutral governance for your technology investment.
Professionals Lobby, grow, connect, succeed.